In the world of global manufacturing, one term is making waves, but what is it and why is it changing the game for industries worldwide? At its core, the red supply chain is about self-sufficiency. Chinese companies are manufacturing intermediate products, items that were previously imported, and integrating them into domestic supply networks. Foreign businesses operating in China are often required to source up to 30% of their components locally, accelerating this shift. The push for a localized supply chain is part of China's larger economic strategy. With massive investments in technology and manufacturing, the government is ensuring critical industries remain resilient against external pressures, like global trade tensions or sanctions. One company exemplifying the red supply chain is Luxshare Precision Industry. Founded in 2004 by Wang Leichun, a former employee of Foxconn, Luxshare has swiftly climbed the ranks in the electronics manufacturing sector. Initially producing connector cables, Luxshare expanded its portfolio by acquiring smaller component makers. In 2011, it acquired Lanto Electronics, enabling it to manufacture parts for the iPhone and MacBook. By 2020, Luxshare had become a key assembler of Apple's AirPods and, after acquiring Wistron's iPhone assembly plants, began assembling iPhones, a domain previously dominated by Taiwanese firms like Foxconn. Luxshare's rise has not been without controversy. In 2022, Taiwanese prosecutors accused the company of stealing trade secrets from Catcher Technology and poaching its workforce to secure orders from Apple. Despite these challenges, Luxshare's trajectory underscores China's broader strategy to cultivate domestic champions in high-tech manufacturing. In April 2024, Luxshare reportedly entered NVIDIA's supply chain, focusing on components for NVIDIA's GB200 AI servers. This move signifies Luxshare's ambition to expand into the AI chip business, further solidifying its position in the red supply chain. This shift isn't just about China, it's reshaping global trade. Countries like the United States are now investing heavily in their own supply chain resilience, aiming to reduce reliance on Chinese manufacturing. In 2023, China hosted its first International Supply Chain Expo to showcase its advancements. Meanwhile, the United States responded by creating the Supply Chain Resilience Committee, focusing on securing critical industries like semiconductors and clean energy. Critics argue that the red supply chain could increase global trade tensions. Others worry that foreign companies operating in China might face pressure to transfer technology, raising concerns about intellectual property security. Looking ahead, the red supply chain is likely to expand further. With China's ambitious goals in AI, electric vehicles and green energy, the world could see even greater competition for technological dominance. Whether it's an opportunity or a challenge, one thing is clear. The red supply chain is reshaping the global manufacturing landscape, and no one can afford to ignore it.